Hello guys, so this week I'm gonna give you an update from if you remember for week before, video before I did this, and now I'm gonna show you to continue. This is how we connect the toilet system on the side, the valve, flushing the fish, and this is thermostat mixer valve, which is gonna connect in the for the sink, which you can see, and in that side it's not ready yet, but I'm gonna show you later. And a drain off this side, and I just need to tight this. This is got pressure fitting with olive, so I just need to put the jogging compound and tight it. On this side I need to connect the sink there. Now it's going to be cold, which is going to go in the thermostat mixer valve, hot, and from here it's going to go in to connect the sink. Use my moped to tight this. That it's a drain off, and that it's return, like I said before. So hot water is gonna come from this part, right? It's gonna come for plant room. I explained it before, but I think you're gonna understand more now. So the hot water is gonna come from there, right? It's gonna feed the sink, but well, the hot is gonna go in the thermostat valve, and this is gonna adjust the temperature on 43 degrees. It's gonna be hot and cold, and from that it's gonna be on 43 degrees, which connects in there. But it's a long way from plant room, and they need to have, like for sink, they need to have quick. Imagine when you open the taps, you have to wait for hot water from the plant room. I'm on the level 3. Imagine to wait, how long to wait for hot water to come from lower ground. Imagine 4th floor, you know what I mean? So that's why it's that return, because the pump is gonna run the hot water around the system. So it's gonna be male and going back hot water. So basically over here until here it's gonna be always hot water, and it's gonna go back to plant room. So it's gonna be like a circulate around the system. And when you open the taps over here, you're just gonna wait the distance, probably a meter. So that's the system working on site. In domestic it's a bit different. On site is like this. I'm gonna give it to you on date later on. And now everything is done. This is how it looks like it when it's done. Which you can see, I use a lot of bending because I like to use bending. I like to use the bender. Yeah. So this is pretty much drain off in case of maintenance. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you.